Hello everybody, so today we're gonna talk about 10 most popular stock people owns on Robinhood. Okay, so let's start off with number 10, Apple. Apple currently have 352,765 people owns the stock. The market cap is 1.26 trillion. The share price is $296 per share. Ticker symbol AAPL. Apple is a company that sells iPhone and computers. Okay, number 9 is Carnival. CCL. It have around 410,000 people own the stock. Share price is $14 currently, and the market cap is $9.53 billion. Carnival is basically a cruise line that you can get on a boat and they take you somewhere, and it's have another fun stuff in there you can do, like all you can eat buffet and sightseeing. Coming in number 8 is Microsoft. Microsoft is a multi-tech company that develops Windows and they manufactures, license, and sells computer hardware, consumer electronic, personal computer, and many more. Right now, Microsoft have market cap of $1.33 trillion. Share price is $174, around $174. Then Microsoft have around 425 people owns the stock on Robinhood. Okay, coming in number 7 is Delta. It's a airline business. Ticker symbol is DAL. Share price is $24 a share. Market cap is $15.38 billion. And Delta Airlines have around 433,000 people owns the stock. Then coming in at number 6 is GoPro. Ticker symbol is GPRO. Share price $3.30. Market cap is $519 million. And GoPro have around 451,000 people on the stock on Robinhood. So what is GoPro? GoPro is basically a consumer camera company. Coming in at number 5 is American Airlines, AAL. Share price is $10.76. Market cap is $4.5 billion. American Airlines have around almost 460,000 people on Robinhood owns the stock. So American Airlines is basically a airline company. Coming in at number 4 Disney is a company that have or produce and makes theme parks, resorts, movies, TV programs, games, videos, and many more. Ticker symbol is DIS. Share price is $105. Market cap is $190 billion. Disney have around 510,000 people owns the stock on Robinhood. Coming in at number 3 is GE. Ticker symbol GE. Share price $6.53. Market cap is $56 billion and around $56 billion market cap. It have around 694,000 people on the stock on Robinhood. So GE is a company that makes kitchen appliances, home products, parts, and accessories, and more. Okay, coming in at number 2 is Ford. Ticker symbol F. Share price excuse me again. So share price is $4.94. Market cap is 19.5 billion. It have 792,000 people own the stock on Robinhood. Ford is basically a car maker. Okay, now the green winner is Aurora Cannabis. Share price, take a sample ACB. Share price 74 cents. Market cap 923 million. Popularity 973,000 people own the stock on Robinhood. So Aurora Cannabis is a company that produces marijuana on Canada. Alright, so that's basically the end of the video. Please subscribe for more top 10 type of financial videos or stock analysis. And please give my goal is to get 5 likes. If I can get 5 likes, that'd be great. Thank you so much.